This is a pen.
1. 1.
How many pencils are there? There is one pencil. This is a book.
2. 1, 2.
How many books are there? There are 2 books. These are scissors.
3. 1, 2, 3.
How many scissors are there? There are 3 scissors. This is a sharpener.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
How many sharpeners are there? There are 4 sharpeners. This is a crayon.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many crayons are there? There are 5 crayons. This is a school bag. 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6. How many school bags are there? There are 6 school bags. This is a notebook. 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7. How many notebooks are there? There are 7 notebooks. This is a chair. 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8. How many chairs are there? There are 8 chairs. This is an eraser. 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9. How many erasers are there? There are 9 erasers. This is a pen. 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many pens are there? There are 10 pens. Dot.